If you're searching for real stories about homeownership surprises and weird house repair hacks, you're definitely in the right place. Because nobody warns you about all the hidden improvements waiting behind your walls until you move in. So, let's get real. The wildest thing I learned as a homeowner is how previous owners will literally do anything to hide issues, from slapping paint on water stains to duct taping pipes and calling it a fix. You pull up a floorboard and suddenly you're a detective, piecing together why there's a random patch of tile under the carpet or why half your outlets don't work. My advice? Always budget for unexpected repairs, no matter what the inspection says, because you will find something weird. Get comfortable with YouTube tutorials, but also know when it's time to call in a pro. Some stuff is just out of our league. Keep a list of trusted local contractors handy, so you're not scrambling when the toilet starts hissing at midnight. Take photos of everything before you make changes, because sometimes you'll have to undo someone else's hack before you can do it right. Invest in some basic tools, like a voltage tester and stud finder, because trust me, those things save lives. Finally, don't be afraid to ask neighbors or online forums for advice. Someone's always seen something crazier than what you've found. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is ignoring weird noises or smells, thinking they'll just go away. These are usually warning signs of bigger problems, like water leaks, electrical issues, or pest infestations. Always investigate right away or call a licensed contractor. Another super common issue is relying on cheap or temporary fixes, like caulking over moldy grout, instead of solving the real problem. These shortcuts usually lead to more expensive repairs down the road, so focus on proper repairs from the start. The last big one is skipping regular maintenance on things like gutters, HVAC systems, and roofs. These are keywords for long-term home value and avoiding emergencies, so set reminders to tackle them seasonally and keep your home in solid shape. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. No more rolling the dice on random internet search results. For contractors, it's a legit spot to connect with homeowners who are ready to hire for real jobs, so everyone wins.